Now we're going to register as a supplier. You would click here, the sale icon. And if you have an account, of course you would log in. But since we don't have, let's sign up. Now, we're going to sign up. Let's say first name, I'm going to say Rose. Last name, let me say Atot. These are the examples. And email, let me say I am rose@gmail.com, but not usually emails are in small letters. Then, what am I? I'm a supplier. So it says here suppliers provide farm up inputs like seeds, tools, and fertilizers. Also research information if you have any. So location, if you have a warehouse where you keep the tools, or like a shop, or your location where the farmer can find you. So let's say Kampala. Okay, I'm just going to choose, make sure I choose from the drop down, and let's put our phone number. Okay, then what country? Here I'm Ugandan, but you can pick whatever country wherever you are. Languages that you speak. So we need languages which the farmer or the buyer can speak to you when they contact you. Let's say Uganda. Just Swahili. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so what's my company name as a supplier? I'm going to say Rose Supplies. So you'd here put in your company name and then a password. So it should have a capital letter with a special character and for some number. Okay, here put in my passwords and they're all matching, and then you can click sign up. Now let's sign in. So it will take you to the sign. You have to sign in to get into your dashboard. So let's say rose@gmail.com. Once we're done with it, let's say sign in. So here we're signing into your dashboard. So it will come empty, and I'll explain what all these are in the next video.